Hello dear children, good morning everyone. Today we are going to begin a new lesson 12, Noun, Possessive Noun. So in the possessive noun, where we are supposed to use apostrophe and where we should not use apostrophe. So when we use apostrophe, it becomes a possessive noun. First, we should understand what is possessive noun. When we speak about the possessive noun, possessive means so it is mine, it is hers, it is his. So it belongs to someone. It shows ownership. So if you say in Hindi, it is mera hai, or inka hai, or unka hai. So this is called possessive noun, right? So first let's know what is called possessive noun. Possessive pronouns, right? Let's understand. So possessive nouns are nouns that show the ownership or the possession. As I said, ownership. It is mine. I am the owner of the product. If I speak about, if I have a pen, this is my pen, which means it is mine. I am the owner of the pen. And if I have a pencil, this is my pencil. I am the owner of the pencil. Or if you have, if your friend has a bike, the owner of bike is your friend. So possessive. So possesses. So that is called possessive pronoun. So here, normally these words would be a singular and a plural noun. So we have learned already what is a singular nouns and a plural nouns, and how to identify singular pronoun and the plural pronouns, right? So those things we are going to use here. That's why I told you when we are learning singular pronoun and plural pronouns, we have to differentiate which is singular and which is plural. If you are very clear about the singular pronoun and the plural pronouns, here it will be easy for you to complete this lesson and to learn this lesson, right? Here normally these words would be singular or plural pronouns, but in the possessive form they are used as adjectives. Remember, my dear children, so these singular and plural pronouns here in the possessive form, they are used as adjectives, right? Adjectives to modify another noun as a pronoun. So it will work as an adjective to change to modify another noun, right? So here, let's see an example. The cat's fur is a maturedness, right? The cat's fur is a maturedness. Here, when we speak about here the word cats, see here, C-A-T apostrophe. We are learning apostrophe in this lesson. Cat apostrophe, yes, fur. Cat is a possessive noun. Why we say the cats is a possessive noun? Why? Because the apostrophe shows the possessiveness, right? The apostrophe shows this is a possessive noun, right? It is letting you to know that the noun for, this is a noun, right? This noun for belongs to the cat. So when we say the next noun is, right? The noun, the fur belongs to this cat. The fur belongs to this cat, right? Belongs to the cat. The cat owns the fur. This cat owns the fur. If we say it properly, who is the owner of this fur? Yeah, cat is the owner of the cat. Owner of the fur, right? Yeah. Here we have two parts. How to use a possessive form in a singular and as well as plural. Here let's begin with the singular possessive noun. Here are examples of how singular nouns take on the possessive form. So as we know, we have two forms, singular noun and plural noun. Let's first see here singular form, singular possessive nouns, right? The first example, it is a simple matter of adding an apostrophe and the letter S. Very simple to make the possessive form. What we have to do? So we have to add apostrophe first. we have to add apostrophe and then letter S. When we add apostrophe and S, ultimately it becomes a possessive form. So हम लोग क्या करना है, apostrophe add करना है, उसके बाद letter S जोड़ना पड़ेगा. So if we do that, it will become a possessive form in the singular possessive form. Here we have some exercises and examples. Kate has a kitten. So we have learned already this example in the previous lesson. Kate has a kitten. So how we can change this one as a singular possessive form? Kate has. This is a singular noun, right? So when we change this, it is Kate's kitchen. So now subject is noun. When we add apostrophe plus S, as we said here, adding apostrophe with this noun, apostrophe plus S letter S we have to add. So ultimately it becomes a possessive form in a singular possessive form, right? So now let's see the plural possessive nouns. This is also very easy. Dear children, please listen this class properly so that you can easily understand. These exercises are not given in your book. So I give you extra this one. Please listen this carefully. So when we understand the rule of the singular and plural possessive form, only then we can easily understand the exercises which is given in your book. So let's continue with the plural possessive nouns. So in order to make a plural noun possessive that does not end in the letter S. Read once again. In order to make a plural noun possessive that does not end in the letter S, all you have to do is add an apostrophe and add an S. We have to apostrophe or add apostrophe plus S. So as we have done before, normally it won't end. Women, women's apostrophe S. Mice, mice's. So these nouns, these two nouns, so like this type of nouns we have learned already before. So that will not, when we change the singular noun into plural noun, some cases we have added S, but some cases we did not add S. Those completely to change. Here we have an example, women, women's. How it becomes possessive form? Apostrophe S. Right? Mice. So when we see the plural form, mice, mouse. Right? Mice, mouse. This comes singular as well as plural. Here, when we make mice is already a plural form. Right? Women is already a plural form. So how we have to make it as an apostrophe? We have to use apostrophe plus S to make it as a possessive form. Here we have some more examples. If the plural noun ends in an S, sometimes it will end as the plural possessive form, plural nouns will end with S. In this case, what we are supposed to do, sir? Here we go. If the plural noun ends in an S, it becomes possessive by adding an apostrophe at the end. Simple logic. Simple logic. So, in this lesson, we are learning where to use apostrophe to make as a possessive form. Right? Here, in the plural noun ends in an. So, here the plural noun already ends with S. Cars. Right? Cars. Then in this case, where we have to add apostrophe to make it as a possessive form, sir? Here, simple. It becomes possessive by adding an apostrophe at the end. At the end of the noun, we have to add single apostrophe. So it becomes possessive form. Here in the example, cars ends with a S. Then at the end, we add apostrophe. So it becomes plural form of possessive form, right? The same way, rivers. So at the end we add apostrophe. So in this case, we can add apostrophe to make it as a possessive form, right? Here, one thing to keep in mind is possessive nouns are all about the apostrophes. Remember, my dear children, when we use apostrophe, only then it becomes a possessive form. If we don't add a possessive form, apostrophe, it will not become a possessive form. Right? You will always need one with or without the rest. We have to remember only one thing, that is where to use apostrophe with apostrophe, with or without. Yes, where to add apostrophe plus yes, and where we have to add apostrophe. It all based on first apostrophe and yes. Some cases we cannot add yes, and some cases we have to add yes with plus apostrophe. This is how this is called the plural possessive form. Dear children, in these two rules we did not have it in our book. So please learn this and listen this carefully so that in your exercises you can easily complete it. Here we go to the next one. Yeah, now we begin with your book. This is given in your book. Here we see Rita is an untidy girl. Right? Rita is an untidy girl. Look at her room. So this is her room. Whose room? Rita's room. So they say the room is full of dirty. Rita is not clean at all. So see that they have used maximum apostrophe, which means we say this room. Whose room is this? Rita's room. Which means who is the owner of the room? Rita. ये किसका रूम है? ये Rita's का रूम है. Right? So this is not some other person's room. Rita's room. किसका room? Rita's room. So they use possessive form to all these things, materials or Rita's. Right? Rita's book is on the chair. Rita's book is on the chair. She kept there. Whose book is this? Rita's books. Right? Rita's dress is on the mat. Rita's dress is on the mat. Here, see, Rita's dress is on the mat. ये किसका ड्रेस है? Rita's dress. किसका ड्रेस? Rita's dress. Right? Rita's shoes are in the dustbin. Shoes are there in the dustbin. ये किसका dustbin है? Rita's का dustbin. और किसका shoe है? Rita's का shoe. Right? All belongs owner of these things is Rita. Right? The next one. Rita's water bottle is on the floor. Rita's water bottle is on the floor. See here. ये किसका water bottle? Rita's का water bottle. Who is the owner of it? Rita. Right? Rita's doll is on the windowsill. See, where is the doll? Here. Rita's doll is on the shelf. किसका doll है? ये Rita's का doll. Right? So, how do we know that all these things belong to Rita? हम लोग क्या पता है? ये सब Rita's का material है. Right? Rita's का things है. So, we say, we know that all things belong to Rita because of the apostrophe. As we have learned, so apostrophe plus yes shows the ownership. These two are showing the ownership. Right? An apostrophe, this is an apostrophe, shows the possession belongs to who is this? Who is the owner of? Belongs. So we add an apostrophe plus yes. Rita is a owner. We add what we do? We add apostrophe plus yes to show the ownership, right? To show that things belongs to the person. For example, the hand of the boy. See here, the hand of the boy. The boy's hand, one boy. Right? Here is a singular case. It's not a boy's. When they add yes, it becomes boys. Right? Since here is only one boy, we say we add apostrophe plus s. Right? Yeah. Here we don't want to that. Yes, dear children, today we have learned the introduction part of the possessive nouns. Possessive noun. So, dear children, so first two things, the rules is not given in your book. So please watch this video and learn properly, so that you can understand where to use apostrophe s and where we should not add apostrophe s. And the last thread is given in your book with us. So please revise it, so that in the upcoming classes we are going to do some exercises. So that will help us to complete these exercises. So learn properly and try to read your books properly. Thank you.